Welcome to Buzz Quiz, where fun and challenge meet. Test your knowledge. Get ready to flex not your muscles but your brain cells. We've got 50 fun and fascinating questions about the human body. And don't worry, this won't feel like biology class. It's easy, interactive, and just a little bit weird. What is the largest organ in the human body? Ski. How many bones does an adult human have? 206. Where is the smallest bone located? Ear. What does the heart pump? Blood. What helps you breathe? Lungs. Which organ filters blood? Kidney. How many chambers does the heart have? Four. What gives blood its red color? Hemoglobin. What is the function of the stomach? Digest food. What controls the body? Rowie? How many lungs do we have? Two. Which system controls movement? Nervous. Where is the femur located? Thigh. How many teeth does an adult usually have? What do red blood cells carry? Oxygen. Which part of the brain helps with balance? Cerebellum. What connects bones to muscles? Tendons. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. How many kidneys do we have? Two. What gives your eye its color? Iris. What helps your blood clot? Platelets? What is a major function of the liver? Detoxify blood. What is the windpipe called? Trachea. What does the large intestine absorb? Water. Which sense is controlled by the air? Hearing. What system fights infections? Immune. What grows faster than other parts? Hair. Where is the patella located? Ear. What bone protects the brain? Skull. What gas do we need to survive? Oxygen. What part helps you smell? Nose. Which vitamin comes from sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the backbone also called? Ear. What does saliva help with? Digestio. What color are healthy lungs? Pink. What do white blood cells do? organ removes waste from blood? Kidney. What joint is in the shoulder? Ball and socket. How does your body cool down? Sweating. What system moves blood? Circulatory. What does the pancreas produce? Insuli. What muscle helps with breathing? Diaphragm. Which blood type is the universal donor? Ear. What helps you speak? Tongue. What is normal body temperature in Celsius? (37 degrees Celsius). What has no bones? Conjuge. What organ breaks down fat? Liver. What system contains bones? Skeletal. How many fingers do humans have? Ten. What do we use eyes for? Seeing. That's IT. How many did you get right? Subscribe us for more such quiz.